Care and maintenance. If the clean LED turns on and the acoustic signal sounds, this is an indicator to proceed with the descaling cleaning procedure. Make sure the water tank is at least 50% full, but not exceeding the max line. Unclip the 2-in-1 tray and flip over to become a cleaning vessel. Place the ironing unit into the tray. Turn the dial to clean and press and hold the clean button on top of the iron handle for 3 seconds. An acoustic signal will sound and the clean LED light will flash. When this turns off, the cleaning process is complete and the iron will begin to cool. Remove from the base and carefully empty the cleaning vessel and rinse. Flip the 2-in-1 tray back into an iron rest and clip into place. Restart by rotating the dial anti-clockwise, then clockwise. Iron on a rag for a few minutes to clean off any residue. Before cleaning, always make sure that the appliance is switched off, unplugged, and has cooled down completely. To clean the sole plate, only ever use a damp cloth. To clean the soft material on the handle and the high glossy surface, use a damp cloth only. Never use chemicals, vinegar or scouring pads.